For this video, I want to show you how you can connect Phonak Marvel hearing aids with an iPhone, an iOS device. So here in the settings, if you go into your Bluetooth and then turn your hearing aid off and back on, I'm going to turn these back on now, it will show down here, it's searching for devices, and you wait until you find one that says Phonak. Here we see our Phonak hearing aid. If you tap on that, it will take just a moment, but now it's right here and it says that it is connected. So that is the first half of getting your Marvel hearing aids connected to your iOS. Another thing is there is a Phonak app called My Phonak, which requires a connection as well. When you open the app, it'll walk you right through it. It says to restart the hearing aids, which I will do again right now. Click the battery door open and closed, and then hit continue. It'll take a few seconds while the hearing aids boot back up, but soon we'll be able to see both of these here on the screen, and we can connect, and then we can control the hearing aids through the app. Now it's found one of them. We'll just wait for it to find the other. Shouldn't take long. And we can hit select. A few seconds, so that these wheels will spin. It'll ask me to pair. And once this finishes, it'll open into the app. Everything is complete. You can hit OK. And it will connect everything through so that you can turn your volume up and down and adjust your hearing aids in your iPhone. So there's a demonstration of how you can connect Marvel hearing aids for phone calls and for control with the app.